Hi. I'm okay. Oh, gift if you chug a drink. Well, I have a drink. But I don't really want to chug. I am Hiccups Girl. Thank you. I have a name. It's Kimycola. Or some people call me Kimy. Some people call me Orca. Pig. You could pick. My girl is easy. Hi. What are you doing? I don't really have to, so what am I supposed to say to that? I love you. I love you. No, I don't. I can't really do a fart. I don't really have to fart, so. Linda. Linda. Oh no. No, Linda. You apologize sometimes or never? What does that mean? Sure. Sure, buddy. You know, there's this girl I saw, she like farted into like a pot or something. So funny. Why is this girl burping like this? Nope. I should fart? I don't have to. I don't have to. I'm sorry. Shut off. It's just making me mad. like pasta sauce or something, like tomato sauce, like garlic, stuff like that. Yay! Thank you, Layla. Sometimes, I guess. Not a lot, though. But thank you. I should. You're right. You're right. Martin? Hi. Martin. No, I haven't set the record yet. Still waiting. I'm still waiting. John. Martin. There's a fart. Just kidding. Set me on. Kick a buck.
Yeah, hello.
Hi.
Hey, what's
Wait, where are you from?
where am I from?
I.
I know, I'm like, it's me.
Where are you from?
Oh, America.
America. What the? What the fuck is that?
You dangerous girls.
Yo, how old are you? I fuck you. Shut the fuck up. You look like a dragon, something like that. Oh my fuck.
Go, 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 go.
Go, you bitch. Don't you fuck.
Oh.
Kimy, ¿tú haces batalla?
Hi.
You do battles?
No, not really.
Oh, I thought you was doing battle. I'm sorry.
Cortala
It's
entonces.
okay.
Tú
Have a
sabes que
good
el portal
one.
no.
She went out. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yeah, my sister, dude, she's been on that carbonated water thing. She's like, my videos are amazing. I'm crushing it. I'm like, go girl. I think she's gonna stream tonight. We'll see what happens, but I think she's streaming tonight. So that'll be fun. I'll be there modding. What's up, Salvatore? Riley so smiley. Riley. No way. Somebody sent me 30? I didn't know that. We are still waiting. We are waiting. We are in the waiting phase right now. We will see what happens. You know you'll hear from us when it does. Thank you. Smells like tomato sauce and garlic. Oh, yeah. I'm a fatty. That's fine. I'm okay. How are you? Thank you. Hello. Thank you. He's my favorite. I actually want to get like a tattoo of him, I think. He's so cute. His little hat. So cute. Thank you. It's natural. I don't dye it. I haven't cut it in a very long time. And it's so natural that I'm starting to get like some gray silver hairs. Wow. Thank you. That was so cute. We have a top gifter in the house. Thank you. Everybody, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm at like 770 some followers, and I really want to get to 1,000 followers. Please, everybody, follow me on YouTube. Yay! Kimycola, yes, please. I need to get to 1,000 followers. So it'll just make my day, dude. Y'all better, I swear, there's gonna be some big reveal once I get to 1,000. I don't know what it's gonna be yet, but I swear it needs to happen already. It's like I have almost 4,000 people on here, and I can't get 1,000 on YouTube. Like, come on. It's crazy. I have so much free stuff over there, too. And funny stuff, too, some of it. But and a lot of people are complaining, though. But I don't give a fuck. I'm just going to keep doing what I want to do. Well, you know, I have fun. Thank you. I wish it wasn't like in my burps, but in my face. Tomato, cheese, and garlic. Monster Burp Lincoln. Alright, we got Lincoln. That's fine. We can do that. No problem. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to move it. It's just annoying the shit out of me. But I don't like it down here for some reason. It's bothering me too. Yes, I do have ticklish feet. It sucks. Sure. Ah! Yay! Thank you. That was so awesome. We have a new top gifter in the house. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to get the hearts too. Do Lincoln and closed mouth. The lady, okay? You just don't know. Thanks for the follows. Some people would say her and some people would say me. I think she's the better burper. She's better at on command, like my sister, and I'm like louder and like, I don't know. We're both good in our own, we're all good in our own ways. We also have burp contest videos, so you can figure it out for yourself if you want to go buy one. Since I was a little girl, I've always wanted to be a burper. I just didn't know there was a community that wanted it too. Yes. I'm gonna do like monster burps for the closed mouth stuff. Because it's like really good. Those are on command, but they're not as cool. Thanks to everybody for being here. Oh my gosh. Whether you wanted to be here or not, I guess. My sister is amazing. Everyone, please follow me. YouTubes. No and no. No, I don't know. I don't know that. Thank you, John. I gotta save a monster burp for Lincoln. No, you can't smell my burps. There's nothing that's about to happen right now, but in the future. I guess some girl I saw was like burping into bags and selling it. I don't know if that's true or not. I think she might have just been joking, but can you say, I don't know what that means? I don't know what that means. I'm not saying anything, I don't know what it means. Thank you. I don't know. I really don't know. I was tagged in it like twice by two of my friends, and I really don't know. I've never seen anything like that before. I've never heard of anybody doing that, so. Marvin the Martian, Marvin the Martian. Since I was very young. When I started burping on TikTok is when I found the community. I had no idea about these people. And now I do, and I'm here. We found each other. It's meant to be. But, you know, we have fun here. Okay, is Lincoln still here?
Lincoln.
Me. Congrats on what? Oh, I have the tube here too, guys. There's 50 of you here. I have the tube. Jaden.
Jaden.
I know, I don't think. I had a really good reaction earlier. I'm actually going to post a couple of them for sure. Oh my gosh, so funny, so good. So good. We goofed on some people hard earlier. What was I gonna say? It was hard.
Nerds.
Penny trading. Dude, am I supposed to collect pennies? My great-grandfather was a coin collector.
Cool.
Hello?
Hello.
What's up?
What's up with you? I love your chair. I have one, but it's red. Yours is yellow. It's way cooler.
When am I together? Where are you from?
America.
Really?
Yeah. I don't
What's
think you
your
want to
name?
match with. Kim?
Okay. What's your name?
Kim? Kimmy.
What?
Kimmy?
What, Kimy?
My name.
Really? Okay, my name is Dadawi.
Dadawi.
Yeah, I have a question for you. Can
Okay.
you change your voice to a man?
Yeah.
Really? Can you try?
Yeah.
No, not this.
Oh. No?
Not this.
Not that?
No, yeah.
Oh.
Like
Okay. Just
okay,
like a
say?
deeper, right?
But I mean like just change your voice to man voice, like my voice. Hello, what's up?
I mean, we kind of sound similar, though. We kind of
Yeah, change your sound.
already.
No, don't do that. It's bad.
Why? Why is it bad?
Because it's worth.
Oh, you wanna be the girl, and you. Oh, okay. I get it.
Yeah.
Oh, what's your name? What's your name?
My name is Dadawi.
Oh yeah, right. Dadawi.
Yeah. How old are you?
I'm 33.
Oh, 33.
33.
Wow.
How old are you?
29.
Oh, okay. We're close, kind of.
Yeah, close. What you doing in TikTok?
Oh, I'm just hanging out with my friends.
اوكي. هاي منين الداوي؟ والله ما ادري شفتها هيك شو جت وياي. What are you doing right now? What is this? No, stop! Don't do that!
I was burping your name.
No!
Come on.
That's not
It's fine.
that's not
It's fine
good
if
for
I
you.
do a name.
Like
It's
try
okay
try
if I
to do
a
that.
name, though. It's
No,
acceptable
that's not
if
good.
I do a name. But if I'm talking, it's fine, though.
It's hard for you, right? So why if
No.
I do like a girl sound is very easy for me. I think it's
Oh.
easy if you do man voice.
Okay. I will burp like a man.
هتتحولها شباب. No, that's not good. I think you need to try like what are you doing؟ شباب وين على قصدي يعني داوم خلي ترسم مع
I
الفلافل.
drank too much White Claw.
No,
It's
don't do
5%.
that because it's not available. You will get blocked in the TikTok.
Oh, no. Me never.
You will see.
Well, that's fine. I don't care.
بقى هذول يا معودة سد الملاعين مش ترى. هاي ده تسوي هاي ما ادري شنو.
What was his name? Daba. That's probably not even his name. I'm probably saying something really inappropriate.
Okay, I'm gonna leave. Nice to meet you.
Okay,
Bye.
it was like meeting you, Daba Doey. Did I say it right?
Dadawi.
Dadawi. It's
Wow.
nice to meet you.
Nice
I
to meet you
won.
too. Goodbye.
Now I'm a man.
So much. That made my day. Oh my gosh, that really made me so happy. Thank you. That guy was so many. Guys, I'm gonna reset because I'm afraid he's gonna send someone to try to ban me. So I'm gonna reset. Please, please. I just don't want to get banned. Like, I mean, honestly, who cares? Who cares? I don't know. Oh yeah. If you guys want me to reset so I don't get banned, then just let me know. I'm afraid he's gonna send his people over to try to report me or something. So I don't mind though. I really don't care. It's not like I can go to YouTube or Instagram or something, you know. Okay, all right. Oh, no reset? Don't reset? Don't. Okay, all right. No. No, I don't. Oh, thank you. Everybody follow Kimycola on YouTube, please. I need to get to 1,000 followers. Burp in my hand like this. I've never done that before. I mean, I guess it's similar to burping in the tube, right? Welcome back. Sorry. There was actually a tick crawling on me, so I went to pull that shit off. Hola. Music is annoying. I love music. Alright, this isn't the vibe anymore for me, I don't think. I'm just gonna be honest. I gotta rip those videos off though and freaking edit those up. Post those because those were freaking hilarious. Can't wait to do that. I wanna go smoke. Follow me on YouTube.